We're in for a treat. Guess who is with me? My oldest daughter. Guess where we're at? Can you guess? Can you guess? Can you guess? We're at the Grove. So, let's see what we're in for. Good morning, you guys. Happy Friday. Me and my oldest daughter, we're gonna go to the theaters and we're gonna watch a movie. I don't know what it's called, but we already bought tickets. And something DC, something. And yeah, just came out of the shower, get ready, and we'll see you there. We're going to the Grove, so we made it to the Grove. What's the movie we're watching, babe? That's the movie we're watching. It's called DC League of Super Pets. Oh my god, look at my tan. Anywho, don't stare at the tan. We are walking to the theaters. I have not been to the theater in like 3 years. 2018? 19. How do you feel that we're gonna go watch the movie?
I don't know.
Excited?
Yeah.
Oh my god, my hair looks red. It's really good.
My hair is turning red.
Your hair is turning red? Hey, come on.
Can we get a macaroon?
Not right now.
Like later?
Maybe.
Macaroon.
She's like obsessed with macaroons. It's still early. It's like what, 10? 10:30? You're pretty early.
10:35, I would
10:35 on the dot.
say. Look at that pig.
What?
That pig.
Oh, the pig. Up there. The pig up there. Alright, come on. Gotta stop getting distracted. There's no line, so we came through the VIP section. Concession. Right, you guys, so we got our popcorn, we got 2 drinks and candy,
I called a big one.
and you can only use physical cards here. Like, who carries physical cards, honestly? So what kind of icy are you, like the actual card? What kind of icy are you gonna get? I say you get the blue one.
Oh, yeah.
The blue is the best.
Uh-huh. Kaluha. Thank you.
Alright, do it. Do your thing, girl. You're so fast. I'm still like trying to film. That's a big cup.
Movie fans can't get enough of America.
So we just finished watching our movie. DC Pets, DC something.
You see, the League of Super Pets.
Did you like it?
And we had to freeze it.
So we got refills. I got a high C. What did you get?
I see.
High C. You got an icy.
I see the high.
Alright, so we're gonna go have lunch, but we're waiting for my husband and the baby to come. So I hope. So meanwhile we wait, we're gonna go buy some books for my daughter. We're gonna go to Barnes and Nobles and then we're gonna go have lunch. So see you guys at Barnes and Nobles. So we are walking towards Barnes and Nobles. What are you gonna get, babe? Chapter book? Yep. Okay.
Bananas.
For sure, I'm getting these for my baby. They also have adult ones. And they have a bus too. You guys read the... And they have socks for the baby. And it has the little ridges on the back. They also have a little ducky. And the bus. If you can go to the bus. They have a throw. Look at that. A throw. There's a Pete the cat.
I'm reading this book.
They also have the seed. There's a bad seed. So I came to Barnes and Nobles because we came to see some bath books for the baby. And look what I found. Found this one, the fishy. No, I don't like that. And then I also found this one. Oh, Curious George. But for sure, I'm gonna take this one, the little piggy one.
I'm not playing with
I'm gonna flip the camera right now. So this is the one I love. We already have that one, the caterpillar. It's so cool because it comes with the mesh, toys, and a book.
Maybe frozen?
No, not frozen. Look at that. That's the back part of it. You see the little mesh. Ooh, look at this. It's like a wannabe St. Carl, Eric Carl's Disney version. Oh, the pigeon! Needs a bath.
Look at that.
That is so cute. Oh, the tugboats! Look at that! And it comes with its own little mesh to put the toys away. That's cute. But no. Oh. Alright, so we got one for the baby. For sure. Should we get this one? I really like the fish. But we already have that book. Myra? Oh my god, my light went off. It was dark in here. Hi! We're here about to have some lunch at, and you guess where we're at?
Did I see it?
Yeah. And the baby is here.
She has a voice. She has a voice.
Yeah. And she is ready. Oh my god, the light.
Mom, I want Mom.
You can have that. You can have that. You want that? You can have
But I
that.
don't want
Do you mind I'm eating here?
This is where you change diapers. Come on, babe.
Where?
Right here.
Is it open?
Yeah.
For you?
Let me see. Excuse me. Oh, it's open. Right there.